it's a 2 Super Sister toy style. And today, there's 8 slimes. We're gonna be closing our eyes. We're each gonna pick 4, and then we're gonna show you guys the slimes. So I'm gonna start picking one first, and she's gonna pick one. So okay, so we're gonna put our blindfolds. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up for her first. Okay, go. No, I'm gonna pick this one. Okay. Wow, this is like the beady cotton candy one. Okay, my turn. I can't see. Well, just close your eyes so bad. Okay, you can go now. This one. That's good luck. Okay, my turn. We open that. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, go. Let me take this one. I took like a green one. It's like really green. Okay, my turn. Okay. Stop doing that. This one. I'm gonna pick this one because I think it's good. I got DIY one. Okay. Close your eyes, sweetie pie. Go. Oh wait, not yet. Now go. The best one. This first one. Wow, it's like another cotton candy one. It's so pretty. It smells so bad. Go. I think I'm gonna pick this one. I think this one's a good for her, right? No, yes. Yes? Now we each are gonna pick one. Okay. Okay, pick. Ew. Where's the other one? It's here. Where? Oh, okay. I'm gonna pick. Drum roll, please. This one. Okay, so I picked that one. Okay, let's start opening from the first and the back. Okay, this is the first one I got. This gold star slime. This one is mine. It's like a slime smoothie of a lot of different colors. It's from, and these are fan slimes. Fans. Yeah, from fans. So this one is from the Princess Stories. This one's from Kali Chicken Rocks. That's a weird name, but thank you so much. I think that's a nice slime looking thing. Okay, so this slime is like stretchy. Okay, I'm good. This is my second slime, and it came from Halloween Girls 201 Best Love. I need to play with it first. Oh, this one's kind of bad, but thank you. Okay, so this next one is a cotton candy one. It's from Mermaid 2204 Lovers. Thank you. This one is a DIY slime. Okay, this is a DIY slime, and it's from Chicken Pasta Good, which is from the last video. Thank you so much. Look how sketchy. So this is my next one. It's like a green one. Oh my god. It's from Adventures and Toy Videos. Thank you. Okay. Look at this. It's so cool. Hi guys. Welcome. I got this one from Gold Glitter Kitty Queen. So pretty. I love it. And it's swoosh swoosh. Bye everybody. We love you. Subscribe. I love you. Bye. I didn't do this one yet. Okay, so this is my last one. It's like a pink one. It's a cotton candy one. And it is from Chicken Pasta. Unicorn 101 Lover. Ooh, that's a nice name. I like unicorns also. So look at this one. This one is like a really good one. Watch. It's really like swingy also. So before you make our skin tired, the thing that we're gonna do. Oh, we have to do shout outs. Shout outs go to Glitter Kitty Queen. Oh, I just got you one of your slime. It's right here. Oh yeah. And who else? Who's out there? The next shout out goes to. We're gonna be sending $100 to you for notification, and yeah. So we're gonna show you. Oh no, we can't show you our account. Okay. So we're gonna send that person $100. The next person
you got $100
has a shout out is Christmas Carols 20001. You get $25 and 10 of these slimes in these little containers. Good job. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Glitter Kitty Queen, you got 5,000 glitter slimes from church. Okay.
Oh, you want me to show
We need to show you something. I don't know. Okay. So, no, I'm not doing that.
Yes.
Felicia. Okay, do me. Look at me. We're gonna do Fortnite videos in our next dance. 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's go. Look, this is the orange Justin.
Justice on your shirt.